guys, so today we are making prawn fried rice. All you need for this recipe is your white rice, long grain rice. You need prawns, carrot, egg, spring onion, and peas. And you need your soy sauce, oil, and salt for seasoning. This is me taking out 3 cups of rice from the rice cooker because that's all I'm going to need for this recipe. Yes, I'm going to use 3 cups of rice for this recipe. You can add more, guys, depending on how many people you are cooking for. But as for me, I'm using 3 cups for this recipe. I'm now going to fry my egg. I'm adding oil on my pan. I'm now frying my egg, guys. I'm adding my prawns. And remember not to overcook your prawns, guys. I'll just cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. They should be ready. That's what I like about this dish, though, is that you put everything together in one pan. And within 10 minutes, it doesn't take long to prepare this meal. I'm now seasoning my prawns with salt and garlic. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can use salt. You can use Maggi cube. Anything. I'm now going to add my vegetable. I'm now adding my vegetable, which is peas and carrots. Remember to keep stirring occasionally. You don't want to burn your food, guys. Keep stirring. Did you guys see that? So funny, man. I don't even know what I was doing. I'm now trying to break my egg into small pieces because I will soon add my rice. I'm now adding my rice. Remember to add small portion at a time. I'm now seasoning my rice with salt. You can season it with any seasoning of your choice, Maggi cube, anything. I'm using salt for this. You keep stirring, guys. You keep stirring. Remember to keep stirring. I am now adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce. I'm now adding my spring onion. Our rice is now ready. Guys. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos, guys. Please do subscribe. I just started. Yeah. If you're watching this video, so you know what to do, guys. Do the right thing. Subscribe. Now stirring my rice. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. And please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.